That's your nice. That you like, Gary? Go on, go on. What that? Eh? Yeah. Go, we're turning the steering too. Yeah, that shit got LSD in it. Moving out the beast. Going back, yeah? Yeah, man, you're good, man. Yeah, man. More than clear. Well, on, you sure now I'm moving next one? Now we're gonna get a little bit of sauce. Oh. Man, that shit sound good. Woo. That shit sound good. Woo. Hey, give him a minute. Give him a minute. Ooh, the beast. Hey, watch out now. Go on, give me something. That shit is nice. Yeah. That shit is nice. And if you're wondering what the hell the engine looks like, let me just give you a little sneak peek. This one is for sale also. So if you want, look, that it's not dirty. It's the pattern in the seat. Look at that. You hear how silent it is after all that? 6 piston brakes on the front, 4 piston brakes on the back. It's dusty. Under that, it is clean as hell. Look at the engine. Let me start the evil laugh now. Look at that. Woo. There ain't no smell of no freaking oil leak in here. Transmission oil cooler and front mount intercooler. All right. It is clean as hell. I tell you that. It is clean as hell. Take your look. It is clean as hell. Yep. Say this car is for sale if y'all interested in this car. It says it's just dirty. It's just dirty right now. But yeah, it is for sale. They say 6 piston brakes on the front, 4 piston brakes on the back. It also has LSD. It is really clean. I wonder if the back door, oh yeah, it is open. You hear how that thing opens? Take a look. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It is clean as hell inside here. Financing is available if you're interested in getting that. Backup camera is also on here. Take a look. Yeah, perfect. It is clean as hell in here. 12-inch subs. Look at that. It even has the cargo cover right here. You could pull out and they get latched up inside here. It means you could cover whatever you have in the trunk if you don't want anybody to see it. Okay, show y'all back through right here. Take a look. This car is clean. Real VIP stuff. They say yeah, financing is available on this car too if you're interested in it. Okay, financing is available. So this is the Crown, Toyota Crown JZS171 LSD 1JZGTE Vvti in it, with the single turbo. You also have those paddle shifters if that's what you want to do. Take a look. There's no check engine light or none of that stuff in there. Yeah. AC works in there too. The vents also swivel from side to side automatic if you select it to do that. Okay, as I say, the interior is really clean. That's the pattern inside the seat, and it smells like a lot of JDM in here. Look at that. You even have the support for those stuff right there also. Yeah, so you could also control them from there. They say the car is very clean, man. Listen, the car is still on actually, and you're not hearing it. The car is still on. Let me turn these headlights on and see what's up. See? That's with the headlights on. Take a look. Let's say the car is dirty, but it is very clean. You have original Toyota visors on here. Right now. How much you racing for it? How much you racing for it? Eh? Or if you want to come buy it. Or if you want to come buy it. Huh? Shit. I'm not sure if this car has air ride suspension in the back. I'm not 100% sure on that. But yeah, that's everything inside this car works. You got the yeah, it does. Yeah. It does. And then now when you're not beasting it, it's so silent. Listen, this is great. Hear it? You ain't hearing nothing else there again. That's up to the engine. Nothing. So yeah. So let me know if y'all interested in this. Let's say it's Toyota Crown. Financing is available on it if that's what you want. Also has the turn signals here in the window and chrome door handles. VIP rims on there. But yeah, it is for sale if you want it. See, I tell you, LSD 1, 2. Yep. Now let's wait on him to come back. Watch the video, guys. Now we're waiting on it.